Alright, today we got my P80, the Glock 19 frame with a ADP builder, complete slide on it. I built this P80 about a week ago. I've shot it about like 50 times. It's got fluted barrel and whatnot. And I got a PL Mini Valkyrie 2 on it. I'm about to take a couple shots at it. Alright, I'm gonna shoot it one hand because I don't got nobody to hold the camera, so I'm gonna just about to see my accuracy. We're about 15 yards away, 10 yards away, something like that. Alright, there's one in the head. Alright, let's see. I'm trying to shoot a plate for y'all real fast. Hold on. Got a paper target. Alright, she's empty. The whole 15. You see the barrel, it's got a fluted barrel. I think that's what it's called. And yeah, it's a pretty nice gun. So far since I've built it, I've had 0 jams out of it, no malfunctions. About to just come look at this target. Some pretty good shots, to be honest, and I'm only using one hand. But yeah, that's it for today. Just want to show y'all it.